At MWC 2025, Realme just dropped something that could change the game forever. From AI-powered tools to an insane interchangeable lens smartphone, it's time to unbox what they call black technology. Let's dive in. Welcome to Eye2Future, where we explore the future of technology today. Realme's presentation at MWC 2025 was all about pushing boundaries. The highlight? A smartphone that lets you attach DSLR lenses. Yes, you heard that right. This concept phone features a customized 1-inch Sony sensor and supports 73mm portrait and 234mm telephoto lenses. Imagine carrying a DSLR-level camera right in your pocket. But that's not all. Realme is bringing AI to the next level. They unveiled two futuristic tools. Eye voice-based retoucher. Edit your photos hands-free with voice commands. Want to change the sky color? Just say it! AI video eraser. Remove unwanted objects or people from videos with a single tap. It's like having Hollywood-level editing in your pocket. And here's something really cool, literally. The Realme 14 Pro Series 5G is the world's first cold-sensitive color-changing smartphone. At low temperatures, it transforms from pearl white to a vibrant blue. Style and innovation all in one package. For those who love photography, the 14 Pro Plus model is a powerhouse. It boasts a 50MP Sony IMX896 OIS main camera and a 120x SuperZoom periscope lens. Whether you're capturing landscapes or zooming into the tiniest details, this phone redefines mobile photography. Plus, with a powerful processor and long-lasting battery, it's built for performance. Realme is clearly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI-powered tools, DSLR-level mobile photography, and color-changing tech, the future is here. What do you think about these innovations? Would you buy a smartphone with an interchangeable lens? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more futuristic tech updates. See you in the future!